Now, as Telangana goes to poll, one political talking point has been the name change of Hyderabad to Bhagyanagar. BJP's President J. Kishan Reddy along with Yogi Adityanath have asserted if they come to power in the state of Telangana, the name change is inevitable. India Today takes you through the streets of old Hyderabad Charminar. The importance of goddess Bhagyalakshmi can be seen everywhere. A small makeshift temple has also been standing right next to the iconic Charminar monument and the mosque for decades. The ASI in 1960 termed it as something that was unauthorized, a construction which should not have been there, claiming that the Charminar was built in the year 1591 while the temple came up in 1950. MIM party has long insisted on taking it down, but the courts have maintained status quo. Let's take you through the ground reality as it stands today.
With the BJP claiming that if they come to power here in Telangana, they're going to change the name of Hyderabad to Bhagyanagar, based on the Bhagyalakshmi goddess. Of course, they're also promised that this very temple, which is now a tiny temple in compared to the mosque, of course, and in the midst of this bustling, lively bazaar, it's very easy to miss out on this Bhagyalakshmi temple. And so the BJP says, Bandi Sanjay in particular, that if they come to power in Hyderabad, they're going to ensure a concrete structure of this Bhagyalakshmi temple, which they believe is revered, and there's huge devotion and worship towards that temple. As you see, today is Friday namaz. As one hand, you have the azan happening. You also have heavy prayers. Friday prayers, puja is also very important for the Hindus at the Bhagyalakshmi temple. And just to ensure that there is law and order maintained and no communal tensions spark, you have the rapid action forces that have been deployed by the state government. And this has been on a bandobast by the cops for as many years to ensure communal peace and harmony. Now they are almost part of the bazaar. The cops there are standing. They also enjoy the vibrancy of this entire market here. And people have also settled with the idea and are living and moving on in peace. But politics will continue to play out. Of course, that's also one of the charm of being a democratic country. With camera person Prashant, this is Nabila Jamal for India Today, Charminar, Hyderabad.